Hey, this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you guys live from my home office, and today we're going to be unpacking Basic Man. So let's get in and let's get into it. Okay guys, so welcome back. This Basic Man, for those of you who don't know, it's a $20 subscription that your spouse or your significant other can get on a monthly basis. I know with men, sometimes they have that under t-shirt that you cannot get rid of the underarm stain. Don't mean to sound gross, but that, you know, over time that definitely does get funky. So my husband found this subscription, and it was actually an accidental subscription. He was actually looking for a subscription to, I think, clothes, but he found this one, and basically what it is they send you underwear and underwear products every month, so you'll get like a new t-shirt, underwear, and sock. He loves socks. Socks are some things that he just loves to replace often, so this is definitely something that he wanted to subscribe to. So let's take a look and see what he received for the month of June. So the very first thing I see here, and again, I said he loves socks. So if you have someone that loves socks, here we go. So this is the first thing that I see here, and this is from the Basic Man brand. So he has a new pair of socks there. And this is a pretty simple subscription. So this probably won't be that long, but again, I just want to share with you guys just in case you didn't see my last video, or you saw my last video and you were curious as to what comes each month. So he gets a new pair of underwear. So that's how they look, and the quality of the products, just to show you guys, I'll actually do the t-shirt, so we're not showing. And then he has a white t-shirt. This is a part of the bag, so that's not on the t-shirt. This is a plain white t-shirt, and the quality, guys, of these products are super awesome. I definitely recommend them, especially if you kind of want to freshen up your underwear each month. The quality, it's not like a dollar store t-shirt or anything like this. This is very good, thick quality. So if you have a spouse that needs t-shirts under their clothing, or they need fresh pair of t-shirts, this lets you replace it every month. And then guess what? These, I believe and I'll put their link below so you guys can take a look. I believe they guarantee the freshness of these products for at least a year. So think about it. You'll have 12 new underwears, 12 new socks, and 12 new fresh t-shirts each year. So you can begin the cycle again, or you can totally throw those products out, or whatever you decide to do. But let's do a recap. So what do you get for $20? So first, you received a brand new fresh t-shirt, and he's gonna love that one because he hasn't replaced a white t-shirt in a while. I think the last video, I think he got like a maroon or a red t-shirt. I'm not too sure, but I believe so. It was definitely a color. And then he has brand new underwears. And these are boxer briefs. I don't know if they give you like a variety of different underwear that you could get, but these are, he likes boxer briefs. And then he has a new pair of socks. So that is everything that he received this month. So that's super fresh. So he got to replace his underwear drawer this month. So what did you guys think? Do you guys think that that's worth it? Do you get back Basic Man? Do you guys think it's worth it? Do you like it? Are you bag twins with my husband this month? So definitely let me know. I will put their link in the description below if you guys want to check it out and see if this is good for your spouse. But with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys think this one is worth it, and definitely like and subscribe so you can see other subscriptions that we definitely unbox on this channel, so you guys can see if they're worth it for you and your family. Or if you want to take a look at the description. I have all of our family subscriptions below. I don't unbox them each month because some of them are just repeats, so you guys would totally get bored. But definitely like and subscribe so you can check out the next subscription box that we unbox on our channel. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day.